Today's sponsor is SiteGround.com. They provide one-click installers, 24/7 support, excellent security, and free website transfers. Check out the link in the description below. Welcome to WP Cliff Notes, where you will receive weekly tips, tricks, and hacks about WordPress. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a sitemap on your website so visitors can see every page that you have visible. So let's get to the computer. Welcome to the computer, guys. First off, let's talk about sitemaps. So there are two kinds of sitemaps. The first one is an XML sitemap, which most people know about. The second one is a user sitemap, and Google needs both. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a user sitemap on your website with a plugin. We're going to go to the back end of WordPress. Then we're going to go to plugins and install the plugin. So then we'll search for WP Sitemap. And it's not currently installed, so we're going to search for it in our WordPress repository. And here it is. And this plugin currently has 114 5-star reviews and 129 total reviews. So, and it's got 100 active installs, which is kind of nice. So let's install it and then activate it. And then the settings page is actually inside of settings and WP Sitemap. And there are a couple things that you'll want to do before you create the sitemap. There are several different ways that you can display it on your page, and here are the different tags that you can use. I personally would keep the default, and if you don't want to show certain things, you can exclude them. I'm going to exclude the portfolio, and then I'm going to exclude protected pages, and I'm going to hit save. You need to grab the shortcode. So, and these are all the different shortcodes that you can use if you want to show different posts or page or categories or tags or archives or different things like that. So then we're going to go to pages. We're going to go add page, and I'm going to type sitemap, and then I'm going to paste this right here, and I'm going to add a featured image. Set featured image, and then publish. And then hit view. And there's your sitemap, because I don't really have, this is a local install, so I don't really have many posts. I have a couple pages that are active. Today's tutorial has made WordPress simple, fun, and easy for you. If this helped you in any way, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks a lot. This is Clifton Kennedy signing off.